This is crucial when learning Dutch. Make sure to get this right before you continue to a more advanced level of Dutch. I'm talking about the present tense and especially the conjugation of regular verbs. We have two types of verbs. We have regular verbs and irregular verbs. The irregular verbs can be memorized and the regular verbs can be conjugated by a rule. And in this video, I show you exactly which rule and how to use it. We'll even do some exercises so that by the end of this video, you have a strong foundation. We start with an infinitive, which is the basic form of a verb. And for this example, we use the infinitive kijken, which means to watch or to look.
The personal pronouns are ik, jij, u, hij, zij, het, wij, jullie, and zij. The first four are singular and the last three are plural. For the singular verbs, we need to work with the stem of a verb. For many verbs, you can easily take the en of the infinitive. For instance, with the verb kijken, the stem is kijk. However, taking off the en is not possible for all regular verbs. There are some spelling rules to be aware of. Number 1, never a double consonant at the end of a syllable, or in this case, stem. For instance, the verb bakken. When you take off the en, you will get bak with a double k. A double k at the end of a stem is not possible. You need to remove one k, so it will be bak. Rule number 2 is that you need to check the vowel. Take a look at this example. The verb is spelen, spelen. The first syllable is an open syllable with a long vowel sound, spe. If you remove the en of the infinitive, it's spelled like this. But when you pronounce this verb, it's spelled with a short vowel sound. If you have a syllable that is closed, which means a consonant at the end, just like with this example, you say what you read. If you see one vowel, it's a short sound. If you see a double vowel, it's a long sound. We need to add an extra a to the stem to make it sound like the infinitive spelen. The stem is speel.
So now that we know how to make the stem of a verb, it's super easy. Check this out.
The ik form is always the stem of a verb. The other singular forms are stem plus t, and the plural forms are the same as the infinitive. For example, kijken. It's ik kijk, jij kijkt, u kijkt, hij, zij, het kijkt, wij kijken, jullie kijken, zij kijken. And when you conjugate spelen, you will get ik speel, jij speelt, u speelt, hij, zij, het speelt, wij spelen, jullie spelen, zij spelen.
There's one other thing that you need to be aware of, and that is when the subject is jij or je, and when there's inversion, which means that the subject and the verb switch places. Like in this sentence, you need to drop the T. So it's woon jij in Nederland instead of woont jij in Nederland. Let's practice together. What are the stems of these verbs? Let me know in the comments. Please pause the video to give you a few more seconds to think about it. And then once you've commented, come back to this video.
What are the stems of wonen, vragen, koken, bellen, rennen, and missen?
Ready for the answers? Wonen, woon. Vragen, vraag. Koken, kook. Bellen, bel. Rennen, ren. Missen, miss. The first three verbs have a long vowel sound, so that is why you need to add an extra vowel to the stem. And the last three, they cannot have a double consonant at the end of the stem, so that is why you need to remove the extra L, N, and S. What if I tell you that more grammar videos are on its way? So make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that. Meanwhile, check out these videos and I hope to see you in the next one. Doei!